Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We add about s in here. That means we need to minus about s. Because I want to create this one, divide by this one. Negative s, you got about negative 2s. This one divided by this one, you got about 1. So we have negative 2s plus 1 over s squared plus s. The integration of number 1, we have s. Now we just have this one left. S squared plus s, we can do about factorization. Now I will go to this one. So we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital H over S plus capital B over S plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So 8 we multiply by S plus 1. B multiplied by S. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of S. We look carefully about this one. We have negative number 2, so coefficient of S, that's about A plus B equal to negative number 1. Negative number 2. And A is equal to positive number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So A plus B equals to negative number 2. And 8 equal to number 1. So we have 8 equal to number 1. B equals to negative number 3. So we put A and B cone here. Eight, that's about 1. B, that's about negative number 3. And now, the integration of 1 over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1, and we put about c. Now we go back to this one in here. So this one, that's about this one, and we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.